Are garage doors really secure? Let's find out now. Garage doors are a primary entry point to many homes, which makes their security a top priority. Garage doors come in various types: sectional, roller, and tilt-up, each offering different levels of strength and security. Sectional doors are popular for their insulation and durability, while roller doors are ideal for limited space. Tilt-up doors are sturdy but less insulated. Common vulnerabilities include weak locks, flimsy materials, and poor construction. These flaws can make garage doors easier to breach. Simple steps like upgrading to tamper-resistant locks, reinforcing door frames, and installing security bars can greatly enhance garage door security. Looking for more advanced options? Smart garage door openers, alarm systems, and video surveillance allow real-time monitoring and immediate alerts, adding extra layers of protection. Regular maintenance is key. Check your garage door twice a year for wear and tear. Ensure your locks, door balance, and auto-reverse features are in top shape to keep your home secure. With the right precautions, your garage door can be as secure as the rest of your home. Remember, safeguarding your garage means protecting your entire household.